We're now using the cast iron. Oh, it's very, very good. This is from Tesco. And it really works well. Wow, it's really good. I think I would recommend this cast iron grill pan. Really nice. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Tita Barbie's channel. I'm gonna give this a very, very loads of thumbs up. It's really good, so I'm recommending this to everyone. Wow, nearly there. It's good. Yummy, yummy. Ready for lunch. It's belly, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pork belly. So this is the first time we try this cast iron. We used to have a grill pan before, but it doesn't look like this. So I think cast iron is really good. So I highly recommend it to everyone.